For the first project in Simone Giertz's monthly class, I decided to build my dog a fidget spinner. He's so energetic, he needs something to keep him occupied, so I built this. Stick around to the end of the video to see some more cuteness, and in the meantime, let's see how I did it. In the second part of the series, we tested our prototype. By the way, if you haven't seen the video yet, you should totally go check it out. But after doing a little bit of cleaning, it was time to go ahead and reattach the toothbrushes a little more firmly than last time. And while that was setting, I decided I wanted to chop down the base, make it a little more square, a little bit more aesthetically appealing, and gave the edges a nice chamfer. And with that done, I went ahead and sanded it down to about a 220 grit finish on both sides, just in time to pick out a stain and coat it all, make it look a little nicer. And in the spirit of making things nicer, I decided to spray paint the cap, and believe me, that little gap kills me more than you. It was so close to being perfect. But moving on, we'll let that dry and go ahead and paint the top part. Now things ended up looking a little bit more barren than I'd planned on, so I went ahead and added this icon of a dog bone just to spice things up a little bit, then took off all the masking tape and went ahead and assembled the final device. Go ahead, pop a lid on, and we've got a finished product. Not too shabby, definitely things to be improved, but overall, this looks pretty good, and hey, it spins. With the final product, it was time to test it with the ultimate customer. Once again, he's being such a good boy waiting. And I think it's safe to say he likes it. A little bit messy, which is why we're outside right now, but overall, this worked really well. It kept him busy for easily another 10 minutes, and even with the slightly smaller base, it still held its own relatively well. A little bit knocked here and there, but it did its job. I'd like to thank Simone, the team at Monthly, and all of the peers in my group for this class for all of the really amazing feedback. So many of them really put a lot of time and effort in, and I really appreciated it. And with that said, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Until next time, have a good one. Psst, hey, you in the shirt. I've got a cute bonus dog video for you.